now I'm thinking of like the 55-year-old woman, and she's now locked in. She's just gone through menopause. She's locked in that amygdala. She's had a lot of physical, emotional traumas throughout her life. It's maybe a decade or more of a lack of blood flow to the prefrontal cortex. The prefrontal cortex is starting to go offline. Neurons are degenerating. Wouldn't the goal be to stimulate that prefrontal cortex so we could pull her out of her amygdala and get some health back to the prefrontal cortex so she can actually start to move and make better decisions around her diet and her exercise and do all of that? It's the blood flow to the prefrontal cortex, which is the most important, wouldn't you think?
Yeah, not just the blood flow, but the function of that area of the brain. So yes, it can, blood flow will be part of it, but it's also the way the prefrontal cortex connects with, we talk about these networks. So there's networks of prefrontal cortex activated areas. The prefrontal cortex works with different networks of the brain to control different functions of the body. So yes, partly it's the blood flow to these areas, but it's not just the blood flow. It's also how they're functioning that changes over time.